Hey, Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darling Stamps. Thanks for stopping by. We're getting our August done in September. That's how we roll. This kit is so pretty. There's not a whole lot of alternates, but I am going to show you a tip or a design. And actually, it's from Jessica Arita from Stamp a Blessing. And it was just so simple and takes this kit and uses the stamps. So anyhow, let me get right to it. And I'm actually right in the middle and I'm just going to go right to it. I was going to stop, but I'm not going to. So this is just a regular white, and I've taken it for 4 5/4. And by taking black as our base and the sunflower, and I'm going to actually, you can see I'm already a mess. I was going to be all pretty, but this is life. This is the real aspect of this. But taking the sunflower stamp and in its beauty and kind of taking it off center, just like that. Okay, keep that there. And then just a marker. This is measurement. This is 1, 2, 3 by 4 1/4. Okay, and we're going to just put this kind of in the middle. Not that I'm trying to get it centered, but I will want to kind of keep that sunflower peeking through and kind of keep my square off centered. And then I will basically take where the leaf is and go up and around, make a square. And I've already messed up, so I'm going to have to redo it. Well, not too bad. Anyhow, see how that's simple? I'm going to put a little leaf right there. So this is actually how it'll be. Okay. And then from the, it is last September for the Harvest Haunts. That's the stamp set that I am doing. I pick you every time. And I kind of thought that was kind of appropriate since flowers are picked. And so we're going to put that right there. Like that. Wash that. Cover my ink pads. Have you ever left them open on your desk and then they are all over the place? And then one of the other colors is, thought I had it right here, is the olive. And this is a really pretty leaf that's in this month's set. So because I want to hide my little boo-boo, we are going to offset. See how the imperfection with that leaf kind of hides that? Yep, that's how it works. No one ever knows different. So I got 2 of my green right there. Normally I would say do 3 because 3 is our odd number that we try to do that in. Crumb cake is going to be my card base. So I'm going to use the center of the sunflower to put that for crumb cake. And then this is the blender pins, and I'm going to use Mango Melody and Daffodil Delight. So if you use your brush part of this, make sure you don't have anything like on your card base because it will bleed through. But I'm going to just brush up on the darker part because you know how flowers kind of have the darker part in the middle. So we're going to put that on. And I thought, you know, I was starting to make a whole bunch of these, and I'll show you kind of where I stopped. Because I thought, you know, I want to show this just because everyone has their own style. But really being able to put together some ideas. And even though, like I said, this month is just absolutely beautiful. And by the way, there will be no refills. It was just such a popular one. So now, as I don't do all the leaves all the way up, but just enough See how you get a variation of those colors? Now, what I was thinking of, get your thoughts on this. See, I can put the crushed curry behind it. It's a little darker than this. Or I can just use it straight on here, just for simplicity. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking of doing. And I have been coloring away, putting these together. But let me show you, let me clear this real quick. Let me show you some ideas that I have come up with. This one I saw from the very beginning, and just taking the one card base, cutting that up, using just the yellow on top, and the rich raspberries as part of those flowers. That's one. And then this one is kind of using the A-frame, and I did the inside leaves and bees. Did a vertical get well soon, pulled the melon mambo from the flowers, but this underneath part to help that kind of pop is the crushed curry. And then I did kind of the green on here, so that is a second one. Now this one I was trying to kind of use the black as like a negative, and then I used our pieces that come in the kit. Got that all together, and you can see, let me show you something. So here is using black on that pre-stamped, and then here's using the crushed curry. See, a little lighter on that. This is 2 embossed, half on top, half on bottom, leaving this so I can stamp. And then of course that really neat background. Oh, and by the way, I didn't want to cover it up, so I popped this out of the center. So anyhow, that is going to be short and sweet, and I am going to get back to my production, I call it, because I have got a slew of these that I will be making, and that's one of the ways with a design that you can put those together. So that's all I have. I just want to keep this really short, really sweet, but thank you to Jessica for the idea, and I wanted to give her some accolades and hope that you enjoy this short video. But taking this kit, again, these are just absolutely stunning. And so I would encourage you, if you think a set is something that you are not quite going to be happy with, like I'm not going to be getting September's because it's Halloween and I don't do Halloween. So anyhow, enjoy this kit and hope to talk to you soon. Coming up is going to be Christmas. So, all right, have fun. Thank you for subscribing and share with your friends. And I hope you got some good tips from this and being able to use the stamp set, not just the stuff that comes in it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.